Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about plasticware. First, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe, now's the time to do it. Click that little red button down there and get subscribed. And don't forget, ring the notification bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. Alrighty, so plasticware. Well, I don't believe in plasticware because it's bad for the environment and blah, 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 da, da, da. Hey. In an emergency situation, you don't want to be wasting the precious water you have washing stuff up, all right? And that's where plasticware comes in handy. You can get those boxes of, 600 spoons, 600 forks, 600 knives at Sam's Club or Costco. You can get the plastic bowls and stuff as well for cereal and stuff like that. Disposable. Yes, I'm talking disposable, and disposable really kind of irks a lot of people. But there are times where, you got to weigh, disposable stuff, having water to drink and live on. All right. There are times where you, and also if you, it's really surprising to look at people and you ask them about, what happens when your dishwasher goes out? Oh, we got to run buy a new dishwasher. Have you tried washing dishes in the sink? You can do that? Yeah. Some people today have gotten too far away from the old school stuff of doing things. But the thing is, if you don't have water to wash your stuff, plasticware is a great stop-fill material for keeping you from using water that you really don't have to waste. All right, so think about the different types of plasticware you might want, cups, bowls, things like that you can use, and then you can bag up for trash later to take and dispose of later. All right, so as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't do anything foolish. Keep on prepping, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.